Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and for today I'm going to show you guys the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Now if I am correct, I think this is the 2013, maybe it doesn't say of course. But yeah, I think this is the 2013 one. So anyway, here's your font. I don't like the font art, let me just tell you that. I think the font art they sure did better. But anyway, here's your font, here's spine, and your back. They should have put that on the front, because the front is just kind of important. But anyway, here's your back. Nothing really cool. 7 something. I don't really know how long this is. Does not say. Oh yeah, it does. 98 minutes on. So it's really not a long one. Anyway, here's your DVD. It has a house or something. But yeah, and it's in this type of case. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a good day and a night. And if you guys hold up, sorry. Here's your pause and I'll read that. But anyway, have a good day and good night. I will see you next video. Comment, like, and subscribe. What is your favorite Texas Chainsaw Massacre? Have a good day and good night. Bye.